Okay, now I want to show you how to do multiple closing at one. So there's different ways, but for that we need more than one order. So I'm going to place, let's say, a couple of new long positions, and you can close all of them at different ways. You can select them all by clicking right here, okay, and then right click and close selected. Or there's another way, neat way, is the summary will give you all the position combined on the GBP USD into one single line. So if you check this and you close selected or the position of the GBP, it will close all the three positions here in one single click. Okay, so you have different choices. So my preferred one is to choose the position that you want to close and right click on one of those that are selected and say close selected. Now I want to show you what market depth is, that little window here. So here's a little trick. If you right click on this and you can hide it, then you make more room for market depth and say show. Now you can drag that a little further like this, and then you'll see two columns. One is the bid, one is the ask. And here are the positions that are pending on each side of the spread. The actual spread, the numbers here that you have here are the first line here, and the bid here you have sitting on that spread side for at the moment. It's Friday afternoon, it's Easter Friday, so it's very quiet in the market. And still on the Euro USD, we have sitting on each side of the spread $90 million and 60 on the other side. So it's anywhere between 50 and 100 million on each side at any given time. So for you to understand, those are different prices of pending orders, and you can see the number of lots. And remember, Dukas copy lots are in millions. And you see here $1 million lot size sitting at different price level, varying from 1.3478.5 to 1.47. Okay, here. So in a range of 3 to 5 pips, you have all the sitting orders on each side. Now the total of this and the total of this is this number here. 106.6 million positions sitting, and this side 77 million sitting. Okay, now if you look carefully, there are two small little numbers here. That number is exactly the same as the first line here. So when you're looking at those buttons, when you do one-click trading, you can know right away how many lot size is sitting on each side of those different prices at any given time. So you have the first line here always the same, 2.4, 2.4, 5.6, 5.6. And then the next time there's some position executed, this will update itself, and then you can see on those where the big lots are sitting. There are some big lots close here now at the moment, and then there are 30 lots here, 40 lots, a little bit, like 3-4 pips away. So you can know when you scalp, it will help you understand where those micro support and resistance are, and it will help you take your decision where you want to exit if there's a big bunch coming in and you want to be taken before that bunch, or if you want to be slowed down and be after that big group of 20-30 million and be waiting here for the price to reach there. Okay, so it is moving very, very fast, even on Friday afternoon like that with no real volume. But sometimes during normal market hour, you'll have 4, 5, 700 million on each side here. So this little window is indeed for scalpers and just to know what kind of volume there is today at that particular time of your trading. Okay, now I want to show you the workspace area here, the little window we have here. So in this window there are some charts. In here, charts are, if you explode it here by clicking on the little plus, will show you everything that you have or monitoring at the moment on your chart window here. So this is the same listing as here, okay, with the same time frame. If you take the US Canada here and you change time frame, it will change the time frame as well. Okay, so it's a little listing of all the charts that you are monitoring. Then you can add more charts by clicking on instrument. If you have some of those listed here, so you can say add instrument, I want to add this one. It will add the pair that you want. It will not add it here, but you will have it listed on the monitoring pairs, the pair that you are monitoring. Okay, so you can go very quickly and it will change. You will see the price where it's at the moment. And let's say that New Zealand CAD pair, you decide that you want to have it on the screen. You can double click on it and it will open a New Zealand CAD, and then you choose your time frame, let's say 15 minutes, and it will bring it to the screen for you. Okay, it will update itself, and now you have it on the screen, and then you can play as with the different setting for the viewing. Okay, so when you did that, it also added it into the charts. Okay, and let's make us a little bit more room here. Let's hide that part so we have a little bit more viewing area. So we added the fifth one, it's right there. Those are all the pairs that we are monitoring at the moment that we can go and see the prices instantly. And if you want to add a pair, you double click on it, or you right click and you say open add a chart, and it will add a new chart. Okay, and then if you don't want to monitor this one, you can close the pair, and let's say that you don't want to have that New Zealand pair there, then you close the instrument and you continue to monitor only the one that you prefer to monitor.